Here's a 2016 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above-average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website. Call, click, or stop in today.